I've always been the wanderer, the one following winding trails through the forest, returning with wildflowers and a new perspective. I love learning, reading, eating, making, exploring. I've always been a little different. I've always had the hobbies no one understands. Loved foreign movies my friends didn't like. Taken up fascinating opportunities my peers found lacking. I've hiked in the Amazon, gotten lost in the banlieue of Paris, found myself drinking cider in Spain with the best of friends, and relished hours spent sitting alone, perched on a boulder, watching the creek flow past me. All my life I've sought joy, sought meaning and passion and happiness and laughter, calm. Those quiet hours where the sun moves across the sky and you don't even notice. Alone in your cocoon of peace, your hands are free to create. To take nothing and from it create something so wonderful, so unique it lifts your soul. But some days, stepping outside this space leaves you feeling breathless. The world rushes past you so fast, and you feel pushed to the edges, an observer, pulled about and swept up in the current of fast living. Time to wander turns to time to scroll, time to explore to time to consume. It leaves you feeling alone, bereft and isolated. In a time when you crave connection through creativity, society broadcasts all things instant and replaceable and empty. Stepping into a shopping mall makes your head spin. The undeniable weight of our modern lifestyle bears heavier on you, and you're starting to feel there may not be a way out. And then you find spinning, a slow and ancient craft, a craft that takes nature's gifts and twists them into a thread of hope. You feel empowered, emboldened. There is a place for you. You can hold your ground and move through this life the way you've always wanted to, slowly, deliberately, and joyfully. Spinning can become your grounding place, your creative solace where one yarn at a time you can show the world who you really are. That's why I created your first Skein, because I knew you needed it. I knew you were searching for a way to stay true to your values, just like I was searching 10 years ago. You respect this planet, its animals, its people. Spinning can be that practice that helps you support the way of life you know lies ahead of you. Inside this course, I teach you how to fall in love with your first spinning wheel, how to fall in love with fiber and mindful spinning. I want everyone to know that this kind of slow lifestyle is possible for them. It is possible to craft your way towards a better life, and spinning may just be the key to getting you there. You'll start falling in love with your wheel and be led to falling in love with your life.